Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to do circle image in Word. Let's access the Word file. There, you're going to open the Insert menu, click on Pictures, and then on this device. You are going to choose the desired image and click Insert. Adjust the image to the desired size. Then select the image. In the Shape Format menu, click on Crop, and there you will select the Crop to Shape option. Choose Oval. After this, right-click on the image to select Format Picture. Open the Fill and Line section. Click on Line and check the Solid Line option. You will see your round image in Word. From this menu, you can change the color of the line as well as its width. To finish, select the image and from the Wrap Text option, choose in front of the text. This will allow you to fit the round image within the document. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.